Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
very soon. Biafra, we are now responding to the killings against Biafrans. I want you to understand that for the past 2 years, or for the past 1 year, after the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Nigeria state have killed without remorse. They have killed Biafra people as if we do not have anybody in Biafra land. They kill as if we're not human beings. They slaughter us. For the past 1 year, we have witnessed the most gruesome killings of Biafra people by the Nigeria-sponsored terrorists, the Nigeria state, the Nigeria army, DSS, and police. And I will announce to you today, we are now fighting them back. And we will continue to fight them back until we get to a point where the international community will listen to how they kill us and how we pick up arms to fight back. I want to encourage you people to stay strong. We are just started. Another thing I want to inform you this evening, those banks in Biafra land that you are going to be handing Biafrans, young men, over to the Nigeria terrorist police, army, or DSS. From today, from this night, from this morning, any bank that hand over any Biafran child in Biafra land to be slaughtered by the Nigeria state, that bank will wait for Biafra people. Except we do not have the intel. If any Biafran is abducted from any bank in Biafra land, that bank will no longer operate. We have information that some Biafran people are being abducted at a bank. They go to a bank, they abduct them. Nobody speak for them. Nobody talk for them. And this has been going on for a while. And it seems that people are not paying attention to the impunity that is going on. So from tonight, any bank that hand over any Biafra child, any Biafra son or daughter, in whatever disguise, in whatever nomenclature, in the name of the person is IPOB, or in the name of person is the Biafra person, if any bank hand over Biafran to any Nigeria state, going forward, you will have the Biafra people to contend with. That bank will have Biafra people to contend with. And we are going to have our intels everywhere. So I want this information to get to every banks in Biafra land. We do not have any problem with the bank. We do not have any issue with the bank. But we cannot be banking. Our people cannot be paying your salary, investing in your businesses, and then when they come to bank to withdraw money, for one reason or the other that can be sorted out, you will invite DSS, you will invite Nigeria Army, and they will come and kidnap the person. And nobody will hear from that person again. Some of them will never make it alive. So from tonight, I will repeat it again. Biafra people have resolved that any bank in Biafra land that hand over any Biafran to any Nigeria state, that bank will never know peace until Biafra come. I want to now inform you people the reason why we can never support P2B, apart from the fact that we are not election to hold in Biafra land. You know, when I listen to some of them, they are, oh, democratic process, democratic process, democratic process. Democratic process can only be allowed in a country. Democratic process can only be allowed in a democratic country. Nigeria is not a democratic country. Do you know what is democracy in Nigeria? No. The only election that we are going to allow is a referendum in Biafra land. So we have made it very clear, no election has come to stay, and every Biafra must make sure that this no election in Biafra land is a task that must be carried out. Does not matter who you are. Everybody must be on the same page. We must put all our hand on the deck to make sure that we don't allow Nigeria to conduct election in Biafra land. It is the beginning of the end. Now, if you are a Biafran, if you are a Biafran and you are supporting P2B because you want an Igbo presidency, you know, you are not just enemy of Biafra people. You are not just enemy. You are worse than anything. You are not aware of your history. How can you turn around to begin to give support to a party that murdered your own people, the party that masterminded the killing of over 3 million Biafrans? Because you are a fool. You don't know history, and because of that, you are supporting Nigeria election. First of all, I want to make it very clear. It is not just about the party. You know, when I talk about supporting P2B, they thought some people will be thinking that, you know, we are supporting other party. We are not supporting anybody in Nigeria, but P2B is a topic because he is a Biafran. So I want to tell you today that it was Labour Party. It was Labour Party, United Kingdom Labour Party, that masterminded the killing of over 3 million Biafrans by starvation. The United Kingdom Labour Party supplied arms to go on to Nigeria to kill Biafrans. Are you aware of that? I want you to understand that today they can't do it again. Today, they cannot supply arms to Nigeria to kill us like they did before. So what did they do? They invited P2B. They said, P2B, come. You are very desperate to be something. We are going to give you presidential ticket of Labour Party. The same Labour Party that killed Biafrans are the same Labour Party that is sponsoring P2B today. The same Labour Party that killed Biafrans are the same Labour Party some of you fools that call yourself Biafran are supporting. You are supporting the party that armed Nigeria to kill over 3 million children. And you tell me, don't worry, when P2B lose election, you are going to now start fighting Biafra. You are a fool. The Lord and the God of Biafra can never forgive you. Some of you don't know all those things. Now, I want us to go, and this is the beginning of the exposition. Now, I want you to look at this. How Britain, I need to make this a little bit bigger. how Britain's Labour government facilitated the massacre of Biafrans in Nigeria to protect its oil interests. And that it was the same Labour Party that Peter Obi went to meet in the United Kingdom. And because they have come to understand that the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to stop Biafra agitation, they invited Peter Obi, Labour Party. They told Peter Obi, because of the new generation, we are now in a civilized world, and the information is available everywhere. We may not be able to go straight to fight war again. We may not be able to support Nigeria openly again because a lot of interest will fight against us. I am telling you what the United Kingdom is thinking now. They say, if we go outright to start to support Nigeria to fight war against Biafra, a lot of interest, the world power may go against us because today everybody wants to be free. And only those who have the heart to fight will get the freedom. It is not by intimidation. They come to intimidate you with arrest. They come to intimidate you with terrorism, and then you run away from your freedom. No. Only those who have the heart to fight till the end will get their freedom. And in other words, they call it those who have mental toughness. So the United Kingdom Labour Party knows that that thing they did in 1967 to 1970, fighting Biafra with everything and weapon, cannot happen again. So they invited Peter Obi.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.